All right, Mike V, head trader at Tradeview Markets. As we log into TradeGATEHub on employment number morning, always go to TradeGATEHub. We have always upgrades, downgrades, research from majority of the street, if you will. Always trades that I give. Go to the our YouTube account. You get the picture of what we're going on here. Okay, and let's zero in. All right, the big guys reported as non-farm payroll. There they are. The future spies were 492. Now they're 490. Still positive. It seems like the ones that gave back are gold and oil, as Meta seems to hang in there. And listen, stories Amazon and Meta, as opposed to Team and Apple. So those are the stocks that are moving at the moment. Obviously, the stocks are moving together. It's SMCI's world, as you can see, and we're just living in it to this point. I don't mean to be facetious, but at this point, that's what's going on. And listen, Intel had bad news. They canceled like a $20 billion plant in America. It was negative. It was positive. Keep an eye on that. Coach might have had a point saying that maybe Intel's something larger, but until then, I still think we're driven by the market. The Fed's still driven by the market. So listen, it's a Friday. Let's see if it's profit taking. There's plenty to do still. The VIX is still negative. It looks like golds were the ones that gave it back. A lot of range of volatility and everything across the board. Solar is the stock like CLS still going higher along with this NXT. Listen, Tesla still on a stage 4 breakdown, if you will. So it just tells you that, no matter what it is, if it's positive price action volume, they're into it. I mean, is Darden Restaurants, Red Lobster, all of a sudden better than Tesla? You know what I mean? Look at the chart on E. And that's what they're doing. Stock went from 40 to 46. It doesn't look like much, but it's more emblematic of what's going on in the economy, maybe. What else is going on? Boeing, let's see if it bases. Obviously, Bitcoin into Friday. Let's see if they're going to play into the weekend. Low floaters. Listen, it's up to these. It narrows down. It's really Microsoft, NVIDIA, SMCI, and Meta. That's all. I actually sold some Meta when I came on. Yeah, they faked me out. Where did I sell it? I sold it 259 right before the number. They got me. All right. So listen, VRT going, same thing, going with SMCI. So the strong ones and the strong sectors that keep going. I know everybody. Actually, I think it's actually broadening out. No longer is it Tesla or Netflix is not really acting that well. I mean, I would say it's acting well, but they're running into what's ever acting at best at that time. It seems anything that with AI or software, you're okay with at this point. Let's see if they rotate out of the Dow. Airbnb down, Uber down a little bit, Disney after a nice run. If you're looking for the reversal, there are better trades. So listen, it's a Friday morning. Let things settle out. There's a lot going on. Major economic data and major stocks. With it, to put it bluntly, I wish I could put it, moving. So know your prices. I use the analogy all the time. There's a lot of movement. Don't walk into a car dealership and pay $100,000 for an $80,000 sticker price. Get your prices. A lot of things are moving. Okay, so until then, be in the room. 11 o'clock update. Always active trading. As you can see on top left of what's moving up and what's moving down. Shopify still acting well. That was the one looking to break out, but they still haven't broken new highs. So stay within levels. Stocks that haven't broken maybe stocks that break yesterday's low, be interested. Stock that breaks yesterday's high, be interested. But you know what? Trade prudently. Don't get caught. Know what you're doing. Coach always says you're not going to usually make your whole week on a Friday, but you have a better chance of losing it, and especially in this type of environment, because losses can exacerbate without discipline. So cheers. We'll see you in the room. Mike V, TradeGATEHub.